Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pooja Raj Srivastava and today we are going to discuss about the topic Be Remarkable. Remarkable people challenge and inspire. They show what is possible when talent meets discipline. Truly remarkable people make a deep and lasting impression. They change the world just by being themselves. Remarkable people feel fear, but they recognize this as an internal barrier rather than an absolute limit. An internal impulse, greater even than fear, drives them. It may be a passion for justice or a commitment to truth. Remarkable people overcome limiting factors such as fear by pursuing what they value most. It's as if they have an internal compass that forever points them in the direction they must go. Remarkable people know what they are here for a reason and not just any reason. Their lives are not lived in a haphazard way. They are determined to accomplish something in the time that they have, and they can tell you exactly what it is. They can connect with others. Remarkable people cut through the small talk. Their passion and energy comes through even in a casual conversation. They are good listeners and communicators. They have a range of interests and experience that enables them to connect with a wide variety of people. Remarkable people place a high value on human life, which they see as essentially heroic. They believe in human dignity. They are appealed by the prospect of lives. Wasted life for them is precious. Remarkable people have setbacks. They make mistakes. Things don't always work out as planned. But while some people would see these unpleasant events as a failure, remarkable people see them as a necessary component of their life's work. As a result, they are undaunted, where others might conclude that the way forward is impossible. In the beginning, remarkable people are often seen as foolish, impractical, and even crazy. They take up seemingly impossible causes and dream improbable dreams. Impossible is not there in their dictionary. Remarkable people have a mental attitude that says, I can. They know what changing society is a matter of human will and that very few things are written in stone. They don't accept the rationalizations and objections which are placed in the way of change. They know that human can sweep away the obstacles and they live their lives as if to prove it. Qualifications provides necessary platform, but you will need more than marks to be remarkable. Intelligence, emotional stability, situational intelligence helps you to take off. The actual purpose of study is to gain knowledge. Albert Einstein once said, the true purpose of education is to make the mind think. There are thousands of reasons to study. We study to broaden our horizon towards life. It helps us grow mentally, intellectually, financially in the world of knowledge. Maturity comes through this, makes us able to understand others' view in a better way, helps us in living a better life by making us able to earn a respectable life. So, it can be simply said that we study for good career, personal and professional growth and to achieve success in life. Everyone who studies just for marks' sake forgets that this may not be the base of good learning. To ensure a place among the winners along with the good marks, you need good interpersonal skills, determination, a positive attitude, confidence, and moral personal integrity. These are immensely important factors in determining the final outcome. The organizations and employers realize the gap between the good score and performance of an employee. The current state is based on memory skills, whereas to achieve the desired state, an individual should have intelligence, emotional stability, and situational realization. These can help the person to be remarkable. Let's discuss these in detail. Intelligence has been defined in many ways. The capacity for logic, understanding, self awareness, learning, emotional knowledge, reasoning, planning, creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. Intelligence is being able to function as a regular human being and being able to do the things in life that will propel you forward. Intelligence is doing something productive with your life. Intellect works best when life is accompanied by high emotional intelligence. Utilizing and developing emotional intelligence in the workplace can greatly improve both job performance and the social capabilities of individuals within that workplace. Emotional intelligence is a useful skill to prevent making decisions based on emotional biases, monitoring your own emotions and those of others, directing these emotions in yourself as well as other people, utilizing feelings that are suitable to the circumstance, self inspiration, and building connections or relationships help a great deal to be remarkable. Situational awareness is the perception of environmental elements and events with respect to time or space, the comprehension of their meaning, and the projection of their future status. Situational awareness is not simply weird, nerdy knowledge. It's a very real and essential skill set that every single person needs in their day to day life. You need to understand and anticipate these three basic questions to develop situational awareness. What do you see around? What does it mean? And what is most likely to happen next? If you want to do remarkable things within your life, you need to start thinking about all of the things that can go right. Question everything. Instead of accepting the status quo, you should be questioning everything about it. The current approach to something may or may not be the best approach, but you won't know for sure until you take the time to examine it. Think big. Don't be afraid of seemingly unrealistic goals. Oftentimes, that which hasn't been done before simply hasn't been done because no one has attempted it yet. Take a step forward. Once you succeed with the resources you presently have, you will likely find those resources growing. Step through each door as it opens to you. Hope this may help you to be more than ready, to be future ready.